Question number 4, we are told what is the value of inside the bracket 49,365 minus 9,000 divided by 3 plus 1,035 close the bracket minus 1,250 multiplied by 4. So what you do here, we apply what we call BODMAS. And BODMAS means bracket, you start with the values that are inside the bracket, if there are any in your expression, of if there is of, then we have division, if there is division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So that is what the BODMAS means. So you can see in our expression we have the bracket. So inside the bracket we still apply the BODMAS rule. If you don't apply the BODMAS rule, you will not get the correct value. So inside the bracket, we can say we have bracket of, we don't have of, we have division. So we start by dividing 9,000 by 3, which you get 3,000. So our expression will be 49,365. Then you minus, when you divide 9,000 by 3, you get 3,000. Then you have plus 1,035. You close the bracket. Then we have minus 1,250. You multiply by 4. So that is what you get. Now again, we apply the BODMAS. So we got to, from division, we don't have multiplication, so we go to addition. So we are going to add this value and that value. So what you do is you write 49,365. You add to 1,035. So here you get 5 plus 5 is 0. Is 10, you get 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 3 is 10. So you get 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 3, you get 4. Then with 9 plus 1, you get 10. So you carry 1. And 4 plus 1, you get 5. So here you get that. And because the next value is a subtraction inside the bracket, you can just subtract 3,000 from this value, and you'll be able to get 0, 0. 4 minus 0 is 0. This will give you 10. You borrow 1 here, so you get 10 minus 3 is 7. And here you will be left with 47. So what it means is that inside the bracket you have ended up with the value 47,400, and then we say it is minus 12,250. You multiply by 4. We still follow the rule of BODMAS. We have worked out the bracket. We don't have of. Now we don't have division, but we have multiplication. So we will now multiply. You multiply 1,250. You multiply by 4, and that will give you 0 times 4 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. So you get 0. You carry 2. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2. You get 10, and then 1 times 4, you get 4, you add 1, you get 5. So that is 5,000. So this means that 47,400, you minus 5,000, and we can do it here. So we minus 5,000 here. When you minus 5,000, you will be able to get 0 minus 0 is 0. We have 0, we have 4, here we have 2, we have 4. So our answer is 42,400. And if you check from your answer, B is the correct answer. So you shade your correct answer as B.